The title of our topic this afternoon is to respect our parents. Honoring and respecting our parents is a command from God that is filled with love and promise. According to Ephesians 6:2-3, it brings blessings and a long life. Honor your father and your mother, so that it may go well with you and that you may enjoy a long life. On the earth. Honoring parents brings blessing and a long life. Ephesians 6, verse 2 to 3 emphasizes the importance of honoring and respecting one's parents as a commandment from God that comes with a promise. To honor means show respect, love, obedience, and care for our parents. This command is not just about outward actions, but also about having a heart of gratitude and humility towards them. The verse highlights that this is the first commandment with a promise referring to the Ten Commandments, where God promises a long and prosperous life to those who honor their parents. This doesn't mean a life without challenges, but one filled with God's blessings, peace, and guidance. Honoring parents teaches us obedience, discipline, and respect for authorities, which are qualities that lead to a well-lived life. It reflects our relationship with God because by respecting the parents He gave us, we show our obedience and love for Him. Ultimately, this verse reminds us that honoring parents brings both spiritual and practical rewards. Proverbs 23, verse 22. Listen to your father who gave you life, and do not despise your mother when she is old. This verse highlights the importance of respecting and valuing the wisdom and guidance of one's parents, especially as they age. Here's a breakdown of its meaning. Number 1. Listening to your father who gave you life. This encourages children to pay attention, to learn from their father's advice and guidance. The phrase acknowledges the role of a father in nurturing and shaping your child's life, emphasizing the value of their experience and wisdom. 2. Do not despise your mother when she is old. This reminds us to show compassion, respect, and care for our mothers as they grow older. Aging can bring physical and emotional challenges, and the verse urges children to not to dismiss or neglect mothers in their later years, but rather to cherish and honor them. Overall, the verses teach us the values of maintaining a respectful and loving relationship with one's parents throughout their lives, recognizing their role in raising us and showing gratitude for their sacrifices and love. It reminds us that wisdom and guidance from parents are blessings to be treasured and not rejected. Another verse, Colossians 3, verse 20. Children, obey your parents in everything, for this pleases the Lord. Obeying parents not only makes them happy, but also pleases God. This verse emphasizes the responsibility of children to obey their parents as part of their Christian duty. Here's a deeper explanation. Children, obey your parents. The word obey implies listening to and following the instructions or guidance of parents. Number 2, in everything. This highlights the importance of obedience in all areas of life, as long as it aligns with God's principles. It does not mean following instructions that lead to sin, but encourages children to respect their parents' authority in their daily lives. Number 3, for this pleases the Lord. Obeying parents is more than just a family expectation. It is an act of worship and obedience to God. When children honor their parents, they reflect to God's order and it is sign for the family which pleases Him. The verse also reminds us that obedience to our parents is a part of living a faithful and righteous life. It creates harmony in the family and shows gratitude for the sacrifices and love of parents. Most importantly, it acknowledges God's role in establishing the family as a unit of love, care, and guidance. Let us continue to follow these commands so we may live in God's blessing and love.
Amen.